Hey everyone, I'm sure most of you are starting to plan your gardens for this upcoming year. So here are 5 trends that I predict will be huge in 2024. If you have any predictions of your own, please leave them down below. I would love to hear them. Let's dig into it. So number 1 is growing edible mushrooms in your garden. So there are lots of benefits to growing mushrooms in your garden. They are great for soil health. They're really low maintenance. And if you grow an edible variety, you get a nice savory addition to your harvest table. On top of that, specialty mushrooms like oyster and shiitake mushrooms can be really hard to find at your grocery store. And if you can find them, they can be quite expensive. So growing them in your garden is a no-brainer. So number 2 is dye gardens. I've seen a lot of content creators on social media, specifically those in the textile industry, growing their own plants for natural dyes. Not only are natural dyes great for dyeing fabrics, but you can also use them in soaps and salves. I think we'll see way more dye gardens in 2024 because they're low maintenance and they open the door for a lot of fun experimentation. So number 3 is the cut flower garden. And I know what you're going to say, cut flower gardens have been huge for years, but I think this trend will continue into 2024. Adding flowers to your vegetable garden adds another level of beauty, and it's so nice to be able to go outside, cut some flowers, and put them in a vase on your kitchen table or your kitchen counter, just to bring a little bit of the outdoors inside. It's also really nice to be able to give bouquets to friends and family when they come over. So I definitely think this trend will continue into 2024. Number 4 is wildlife gardens. This is another trend that we've been seeing for the last few years, but I also think it will continue into 2024. I think we'll see more gardeners incorporating water features, birdhouses, bee baths, and pollinator-friendly plants into their garden to encourage wildlife to visit their spaces. Not only do these features add beauty to your garden, but they truly do benefit the wildlife in your area. And last but not least is the kitchen garden. Kitchen gardens can help cut the cost of your grocery bill. They can also provide more access to really healthy, nutrient-rich foods, and they're convenient because they're essentially right outside your door. So those are my 5 top garden trends for 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy planting, and I will see you next time.